Daw kami ng iPad ni Super Iman. Yung pinakamagandang bibilin namin. Oh, look at this, $600 Iman. iPad 10 generation, 256 gigabyte.
We only have 200.
Ah.
We only have 200.
Ito siguro, che, pwede na to, di ba? 10 generation din siya. Ha? Ang kwan lang siya, 64 gigabyte. I think this one's good. Ha? Yung difference lang yung gigabyte.
And this one's
Ha?
white.
What's the difference? Go check.
This one's a button.
Touchscreen. Yun, nakuha na niya. Oh. Na-receive na ni Super Iman. Look at that. Bago ha. Mag-aaral ka dyan ha. CISO ha. I want you to study every day in CISO. Okay?
You be careful.
Daw kami ng iPad ni Super Iman. Yung pinakamagandang bibilin namin. Oh, look at this, $600 Iman. iPad 10 generation, 256 gigabyte.
We only have 200.
Ah.
We only have 200.
Ito siguro, che, pwede na to, di ba? 10 generation din siya. Ha? Ang kwan lang siya, 64 gigabyte. I think this one's good. Ha? Yung difference lang yung gigabyte.
And this one's
Ha?
white.
What's the difference? Go check.
This one's a button.
Touchscreen. Mas mura tong kwan, no? Samsung. 279 lang.
Samsung?
Yeah.
This is not Samsung.
Yeah, it's Galaxy, yeah. Here. Samsung Galaxy. Yeah. It's only 278, Super Iman. You like it?
Okay, it's good.
Yeah.
It only has
Oh.
it doesn't
Ayun
have
kay ate.
too much.
Ano yan naman?
This
Tab.
one's expensive.
1,000.
Yeah.
Oh. Nice. Samsung, mura lang, oh. S9 pa siya. Ha? 390 ito. Wala pa, hindi, wow. Hindi pa namin nagagamit tong tablet ng kwan eh. Samsung. I think everything is there, man. Ha? Yeah? May Netflix pa siya, man, oh. Right? Oh. What next? Sige, pito mo nga dyan. Apa, this is a good feature to. Ha? Ayan, may Google Drive pa siya. Ha? At saka pwede mong i-connect sa TV yan. Right?
I don't know.
Yes. Wow, Pokemon Pikachu. Wow, it's big.
What's
Ah.
$50?
Oh, ayan.
$50.
Look at that. You like it? We put in your room, two of them. Ha?
Don't get two.
Yeah? Wow, you happy?
Do not get two.
You like it? Yeah. Ooh, a nice one. Pikachu. Ayan, hawak-hawak niya yung ticket niya, oh. Ayan. iPad. Ibig sabihin na bumili na si Super Iman. Ha? Kapag nawala niya yung ticket, wala siyang iPad.
No!
Yung murang chicken dito sa Costco, oh, $7.99, luto na. Ito ang gusto kong bilhin. Bakit bibili ako sa $7.99? Ito na lang, oh, $5.99, oh. Bili ako ng 5. Limang binili namin chicken ni Super Iman. Pambihirang yan. Sa luto kami bumili. Yung malamig na. Sarap nito. Oh. Daming chicken na sa Super Iman. Ayan, oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lang binili namin ni Super Iman. Mas mura eh.
The chickens are invading me.
i-chop-chopin namin, kukunin namin yung chicken breast.
Yeah.
Saka namin
Gonna eat
ihalo
now.
sa noodles. Ito ko guys, Brussels sprout. Bibili kami ng 6 ni Superiman. Ha? Ah,
I don't
One.
like Brussels sprouts.
2,
Yeah. The
Three.
Brussels sprouts are eating me now.
camera 4 na. 5, 6. Wow, how's that?
Somebody,
Six.
Brussels sprouts invading me.
Napuno di cart ni Suprema na. Mura ngayon ng broccoli, oh. Makakabili ng 2. Ayos, itong paborito namin ni Supreman. Isa. Yun, 2. Ayan. Earful. Ha? Din kami ng beans ni Iman, oh. Mura din. 6.99. Isa lang. Hindi mahilig sa beans si Iman, eh. Oh. Nice. Hindi kami ng mushroom. 2. Kukunin namin. Dito ang paborito namin bilihan ni Iman. Costco. Nice. Oh, you keep it? Huh?
No,
I thought you lost.
yeah, I got it in my pocket.
If you lost, that's it. Ha?
That's it. I can get a visit for mommy.
Oh, nakuha na niya, oh. Na-receive na ni Superiman. Look at that. Bago, ha. Mag-aaral ka dyan, ha. SISO, ha. I want you to study every day in SISO. Okay?
You be careful.